So I've decided to make my first Open Labyrinth case. I'm on the Open Labyrinth homepage, and what I'm going to do first is view all of the cases that I can already see. So along the top bar here, click Labyrinths and go to My Labyrinths. This then opens this page, which shows you all of the cases that you have access to. So there are two ways to create an Open Labyrinth case. You can either create it from scratch, and that's by clicking this button on the top right hand side. But actually what we would recommend, and what's most easy for beginners of the program, is to duplicate a case that already exists. Now the reason for this is that sometimes starting the start node and the end node of a case can be a bit difficult to program. So by duplicating a case that already exists, the start and the end are already set up for you, and all you need to do is change the content in the middle to match the case that you want to create. So what I'm going to do first is find the case that I want to duplicate, and I know it's actually case number 59, which is just a template, a blank case that I've created before, and it's University of Nottingham, School of Veterinary Medicine and Science, Open Labyrinth Workshop Template 1. And what I do is I click the duplicate button for this, and it comes up with, are you sure you want to duplicate this case? The answer is yes, so I click duplicate case. What happens then is it actually becomes a new case at the top, so the ID number now is 223, and it's the same title as we had before, but it's got underscore and then a number, and this number is actually the number of times that case has already been duplicated. So it's already been duplicated 8 times, and what I want to do now, this case is going to be mine, and so I need to change the title into something more memorable for me. So I'm going to go to Edit. And on this page here, this is the details page for the case. You can see it says details up there. And what that tells me is the title of my case, which is this. It tells me the number of nodes that I have. And here it gives me the opportunity to rename the case if I want to. So I'm going to delete this bit. And I'm going to rename it Video Demo Case. I then go to Save Changes on the top right hand side and click this. And now you can see if I go back to the top of the page, it's renamed the case for me to Video Demo Case.